So let us discuss the application of IT now. The first and the most important application in the business when we talk about business. So in the case of information technology, it plays a very important role in the business environment to perform all the tasks effectively. When we talk about developments in IT, in communication, electronic service, network, multimedia, all these have opened new opportunities for the corporate world. It has improved the business transactions. Now you will observe even your fees and everything you are paying online, isn't it? So this has opened many new transactions. Not only this, it is integrating the business processes, help into the payment transfer. Now if I have to transfer my payment or I want to purchase anything online, so immediately I can make the bills. Not only this, delivering service electronically like Amazon and all. Next thing, manufacturing. Now, how could this IT help into the manufacturers? IT can optimize the new material usage. Whatever materials are required for the into the company and all. Not only this, it can provide the idea about manufacturers, distributor, researcher. Not only this, structural method practice for implementing technology in manufacturing environment. With the help of IT, we can do the sanitation system which have been developed. It enables the manufacturer to virtually prepare prototype plant layout means the blueprint of your whatever product you are going to form. We can optimize new material usage. Not only this, we can assess the ergonomic factors. Ergonomic factors means good working environment. Even if you are working somewhere, so this can help into the we can take help of the IT for it. Then next thing is the mobile computing. Now nothing much to say about mobile computing because we are well versed with it. Mobile computing is technology of wireless networking that uses common frequency for transmission to permit network devices move freely within the broadcast coverage area. So we all are doing mobile computing very well. Mobile computing enables the people to access network service anytime, anywhere, as we know very well. You all are just taking or learning your lecture at your home. Why? Because of the mobile computing. It allows transmission of data with the help of computers. Now, whatever your lectures are there, now I'm recording your lecture for your reference, for your revision. So this is all because of the mobile computing only, and you can access it at your home in your mobile device. Now, next things is the defense service. Military operator use the restricted in their access to the information. Now they can use the voice radio. They can use the formatted text messages to communicate during any crisis. They have the wireless network devices. They are using it. Now these devices is having the high privacy type of thing. No one can hear what they are talking, so their personal message they don't do or they don't share in the normal calls. They are using this wireless device which is connecting to a team, or you can say the defense team, military. So because of that, they can converse without any problem at any part. Presence of IT helps to gain relevant information in an organized manner. Now, next is media. We all know very well that with the help of computer, we can process our information, we can analyze, and we can use it into the media, which includes the TV, radio, VCR, video camera, computers, etc., etc. Not only this, we can print whatever electronic medias are there. Now if I'm sharing some notes with you, you can take the printout of it immediately. With the help of satellite link to the event happening in the remote place can be covered by the print media. and latest information can be provided. Internet also play a part into the media, whatever media. Now see, media means only the TV and all does not come in your mind. Media means the book is also a type of media. Whatever information is there, it is a media. Okay. Now education, we all are practicing it, right? So IT is playing an important role in the education. Say your example, online lectures and all. So it is technology. IT has become a very, very powerful tool for communication, problem solving as a means of research for learning and education. E-learning now, e-learning was stressed, and it was a dream 2 3 years before. Everyone was talking about e-learning, e-learning, but this pandemic situation has made e-learning is the only tool, right? So this e-learning is very, very helpful, and it is very fast. It is becoming extremely versatile solution for providing learning with tools address needs of the student anytime. You can ask any question, any doubt you have through the electronic media to your teachers, and your learners are available. Even if your teacher to whom you are concerned, means if I am teaching you FC subject, you want to ask me any doubt, if I am not available, the same question you can find or on internet anytime, right? So Wikipedia is there, many sites are there which are helping students to learn. Next is the publication. Publishing house, university, e-book stores have started to use information written into the printed version of the book. Right now, it is not like that only information is given. We have the proper printed books, as well as we can see whatever things are there. Computer thing books are there, e-books are there. Now in our college library, all the books are converted into the e-books. Anytime we can, if you don't want to take the book, or if the book is not available, because limited number of books are there, so every student can access the book on the screen, right? We have that particular facility in our library also, and in many other libraries also. But as our college is having the digital library, so this is not only a vision for us, we are practicing it. We have all the textbooks, everything. Moreover, that there are many stores, means online stores, which are providing the ebooks, like ebook itself is one of the store. Then Amazon, we have e-reader, we have the Google books, many other affordable electronic books are present into the proper format. Now see, if I'm purchasing a book for a particular year, suppose I'm purchasing SYBSC FC book, but this SYBSC FC book is, I don't require in my TY, right? So for 1 year, if I am purchasing book, I have to pay the full cost if I'm purchasing the hard copy. But on this e-book stores, what we can do, we can purchase book on rent, right? So if I required this particular book, say example, I'm just studying or I'm preparing for my net set examination. So I required all the books only for 6 months, because this book, this particular exam held after every 6 months. So if I qualified, I cracked the net exam, I don't require all those books anymore, right? So I can take the books on rent. So this is the benefit. It of not only this, if I'm going to any store, I am getting limited number of books, but it is offering when we go to the e-book store, so it offers a wide range of books at the affordable price. Now when we talk about the next application of the IT, impact on medicine and health. Now see, when we talk about the health of a person, so how IT is related to that. Now we had discussed earlier about the disadvantage or the ill effects of IT on the health, but what could be the good effects of ICT? So first of all, we can make use of the IT into the research, right? It is the one of the most important thing in the diagnosis, right? And not only this, the patient can have the video conferencing with the medical supervisor, Not only this, we can have the nursing applications, that is called as a telenursing application. Then we can have consulting, transmission of the medical images and all. Suppose if we are taking any sonography or any type of imaging, so that particular image can be taken with the help of machineries only. So that machineries are related with the computers, and immediately we are getting now we can get the printout of our sonography report or anything immediately. Why? It is all because of the IT. So all physician and other paramedical professional can discuss medical cases across the large distances, right? So this is all these all are the application of IT. There are many more, but we'll stop at this particular point.